One of the most important things that I've ever done in life is to have a not to-do list. See, everyone in life, we have a to-do list of the things that we want to do. But in reality, sometimes it's the things that we do that cause us pain. So for me, one of the things that I stopped doing is saying yes all the time. You know, I was a people pleaser for a long time. And you can be like, no, or if you're building up to it, you can be like, yes, and, right? And you can be like, yes, and let me think about it. Or yes, and I want this also. Or you know what? Give me some time to think about it and I'll get back to you in 3 days. So that's one of the things is stop saying yes to everything. Another thing that I stopped doing, stop trying to solve everything for everybody and stop saving everybody all the time. Right? And that's one of the things where it caused me a lot of pain to where I saw people in pain. I would want to go in there, remove the pain, solve it for them, and rob them of their experience of being able to do that for themselves. And the moment I stopped and I stepped back, it actually created a space and opportunity for them to do it if they so chose to. And the last thing that I stopped doing is I stopped apologizing for who I am. Okay, this is me. This is what I like. This is how I am. And I stopped apologizing for who I am, even if I thought it would offend people. What's on your not to-do list? Comment below, let me know. Do it, watch your life change.